Yeah, but I kind of want to see. I just kind of want to see what it looks like. It's harder than the other stage you showed me on. So all right, okay. I'm gonna get trolled so hard. I'm gonna troll so hard here. What is that blue thing? How do you even get past that? Okay. No. Oh my god. Dude, I just got 2%, dude. I don't know, dude. What? I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea what I'm doing. Dude, I can't make that again. Let's try again. I definitely can't make that again. Let's do. Yeah, I can't even make that part. How do I? I don't remember how I did it. How did I? I don't even know how I made 2%, to be honest. I just did it. I just did it again. Okay, that was insane. There's no way I'm there's no way I'm playing this. That was nah. You guys are killing me, dude. Alright, so we got 211306 and we got Tartarus. Alright, let's have a look. Bruh, like you guys are trying to kill me, right? First we got Black Blizzard, and then we got that previous stage, and then we got this. You know, this is like my first time playing. You guys are killing me. Alright, I wanna see what this looks like. What the hell? So I gotta go up. Alright, let's try this. What? Wait, how do I jump? No. No. I got 2%. I don't know if that's good or not. This is probably as hard as was it Black Blizzard? How precise do you have to be in this jump? That's actually insane. Nah. This is 10 times harder than Black Blizzard. I'm getting trolled so hard. UFO force. Let's see what that looks like. It's 8. It's not as bad as... I know this is 8 stars. I can't even do normal. I can't even do 3 stars, and you guys want me to do 8 and 10s. You guys are insane. Do the bottom one. All right. Well, what the hell's going on? Wait, what's happening? Nine star? Are you guys kidding me? Wow. I tried. No, something's gonna happen, right? Go to the top. Okay, yeah. I reckon something's gonna happen to around like 96% or 95%. Like this. I'm using spacebar now. Alright, I got this. Bruh. Flappy Bird. How hard do you have to spam? Alright. How many keys? So up and down. I think mouse and keyboard is the way. Mouse and keyboard. Just getting ready, boys. The butterfly click, what is that? Alright, getting ready. No, I alt tab. That's way too hard. How hard is it? Alright, I've done with that level. That's just... I think that's almost impossible. You gotta be like super precise at the end.